Okay, so oftentimes on navigational charts, for things that are really high, like the hospital chimney or water towers or that kind of thing, they actually have how high they are listed beside them. And that's because you can use that known height of an object to work out your location. So we're going to find our position using a vertical fix. Okay. Now, before we start, you need to remember this. Tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. You remember that? Okay. If you can remember that, you're all set. So let's take a look. We're going to work through this question. Okay. The premise is that the angle of elevation from your boat to the top of the hospital chimney is 1.5 degrees. So we're in a boat and we're looking at the hospital chimney that's here, and it's 1.5 degrees up, okay, from the horizontal. Calculate our distance from the chimney. If we know our heading to the chimney, then we can also locate our position on the chart. So let's take a look. First off, we're going to work out how far away we are from it. So we've got hospital chimney is 76 meters high. Okay, so if you're picturing it, we've got the hospital chimney, okay, our boat, okay, and we know that this side is 76 meters, and we know that the angle is 1.5 degrees from our question. Okay, so we can plug that into our formula here. Okay, we're going to write it down. Tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. Okay, we want to find this distance, so we're going to put in tan of 1.5 degrees equals opposite was 76 over x. Now remember, when it looks like this, okay, this side goes under, this goes up. Okay, so those two, I'll use this, just swap sides, and it ends up like x equals 76 on tan 1.5 degrees. So x is going to be, how far away are we? Plug it in. Okay, 76 on tan 1.5, 2,902 watts, 0.32. Remember, the height was in meters, so this is in meters. Now that's not super good for us on the chart because we need to use nautical miles. So remember, there's 1852 meters in a nautical mile. We're just going to divide this number, okay? So we're going to go meters to nautical miles is divide by 1,852. Okay, I'm just going to move this up a fraction. So we go 2902.32 divided by 1852 is 1.57 nautical miles. Okay, now that I know that, I know how far away I am from the chimney. Let's look at the direction to the chimney. It says that we know that our true bearing to the chimney is 221 degrees true. Alright, so it's true. I don't actually have to convert it anymore. We're just going to chuck it onto the chart. So 221 degrees true. Now that's from me to the chimney. I need to back bearing that. Okay, so remember how to do a back bearing. It's going to be take away 180. Okay, so take 180. 221, take 180. It's 41 degrees, so it's 41 degrees, 041 degrees true from the chimney to me. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put that down. Here's the hospital chimney. Now here's an issue. I'm in the middle of the map. I can't really line up on the outside. What I need to do is take a piece of paper, go to, I can't get this right, yep. Okay, bottom of the map, line up my piece of paper on the bottom and make it go through the chimney. Okay. And now I've got a nice line where I can base north on. Okay. So I'm going to chuck this down. Make sure my compass is the right way up. And line it up on a piece of paper. And put down, what was it? 041. Okay, 041. Which is in that direction. Draw a line from the chimney out, make it faint if you can. Okay. And we then also, remember we worked out that we are 1.57 nautical miles away from it. So now we just have to measure that along that line. Grab your piece of paper, grab 1.57, so here we go. Let's see if I can, okay. I got 1.245.7, so it's going to be about that. Okay. Out from the chimney is right there. That is our location. So our position is right here. Question asked to finish it off was your latitude and your longitude. Okay. So again, I'm going to grab our, let me go this way. Grab our piece of paper, line up so you're nice and parallel on the side, through our point. Okay, so we got 27 degrees, 10 minutes south, 11, 12.24, sorry, 12.245. Okay, so we got 27 degrees, 12.5 minutes south. Oh, sorry, that was off this. And longitude is going to be, okay, lining up on the top line and through my point. That look alright. Okay, it's 153. What's that? 5, 6, 7. That's 8. Okay, 153. 153 degrees. Okay, so we're going to write that down. 153 degrees. 7.25. 7.25 minutes east. Okay, so that is how you fix your position using a vertical fix with a known height of an object, and you're heading towards that object. You work out the line that you're on, the heading, and then how far away you are from the object by doing tan and using its height.